Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali trim level, powered by the 3.6 liter V6, made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission. Alright, once inside the very luxurious Denali Acadia, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, we do have power locks, memory seating, as well as the electronic power tailgate. Looking at your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, we do have your cruise control, forward collision warning, obviously heated, speak to talk, and your audio and DAS controls piloted from your steering wheel. We do have the push-button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. We do have Apple Carplay in here as well. Looking down here, we do have your climate controls and then your drivetrain selection. Pretty cool. Then down here, we do have auto stop start, traction control, parking sensors, heated and ventilated seats, lane keep assist, and your driveline switch, front wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or different mode selections there. Beautiful jet black leather interior. We do have the wood pieces thrown in throughout with the Denali trim level. Taking a look at those beautiful black heated and ventilated Denali seats. Looking at the exterior of the Acadia Denali, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Michelin all-season tires on there. We do have keyless entry, remote start. We do have the color-matched door handles and mirror caps, roof rails and bars up top, LED headlights, LED tail lamps, bird's eye camera view, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors all around, and the hidden hitch feature already installed on the Denali Acadia. Jumping up into the interior again, second row captain's chairs, both heated as well. You can see all the heated seat controls. We got LED dome lighting, AC coming out of the roof. We got the extra sunroof back here, and then we do have the 2 more seats in the rear, making this a 6-passenger vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. If you think this is the right vehicle for you, come down and see us at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.